Rising above the Gulf of Trieste on the northeastern edge of Italy and gently resting as a plateau on the edge of the Interreg world in Slovenia, the karst, this unique world, is a wonderful treasure trove of many natural phenomena and life forms. The karst is also unique because it was on this plateau that the scientific study of the karst landscape and the description of its phenomena began 2 centuries ago. Karstology as a science and the karst phenomena studied gave its name to the karst plateau, also known as the karst of the mother karst. The visitor is first captivated by the colors that the biodiversity paints in all seasons. But beneath this beautiful cloak lies perhaps even more exciting geological diversity. At its core, the karst is made up of Cretaceous limestone layers, with younger layers at the edges of the plateau. The tectonic structure of the fossil-rich limestone layers, characteristic of the karst, reveals past life. The wonderfully varied surface relief from the cliffs above the sea to the karst groves, peaks and valleys, reveals to the eye the surprising wonders that give the karst its unique character. The underground world of karst caves, magnificent chambers, remarkable canyons, and fabulously beautiful stalactites is an eternal creator of water droplets that melt limestone as they seep, depositing it later on their way into new structures. Not just droplets, the karst underworld has been shaped by watercourses, mysteriously submerged and flowing vibrantly again on the surface dozens of kilometers away. Were caves, which have fascinated man since prehistoric times. The first reason why man explored the karst in such detail? In the 19th century, the first interest in scientific karst studies was driven by the search for an underground water flow to meet the needs of an ever-growing population. Today, we know many of the answers, which are brought together in the cross-border Karst-Karso Geopark. We know that the Rijeka and Amai form a unique hydrogeological system. We know why karst stone is so valuable, and why karst groves and thickets are so rich in biodiversity. But there is much we do not know, such as the extent of the rich underground world and other hidden treasures. In the karst, which is shared by 2 countries, and where 2 cultures meet, different cultures have also sought answers in the past, and their interventions have made the karst one of the oldest cultural landscapes. Today, we value and consciously preserve this. The magnificent views, the white stone, the mysterious caves, the storm, the colorful butterflies, the red roses, and the fragrant herbs invite us to experience the karst with all our senses.